Hello, good morning. This is the new match assisting cornice. It's a newly built, and that's the left side of the wall and the right side of the wall. The small part of that left has to be finished. Those parts area are the original cornice in the house. So all these ones are the match one, the newly match assisting cornice. That one is the inner corner of the two walls that join together. This one is the new match assisting of cornice. That small part area needs to be finished. The white part is the old one in the house. So it's a newly built match assisting cornice. And that's the corner inner mitre. And the one over there is the newly match assisting cornice. The white part of that is the original cornice in the house. So these ones are the new ones that we match. And this is the match assisting cornice. Thank you.